Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to compare the performance of different string comparison methods in C#. I am using benchmark.net to measure the performance. So let's get started. I have already written the code. In this code I am comparing two strings, this administrator with this administrator using three different methods, and we will compare the performance of these methods. In the first method, I am using equal operator for the comparison. In the next method, I am using equal method for the comparison. And in the last method, I am using equal method with the ordinal ignore case property. Let's jump to the results. You can clearly see the difference. The comparison using equal operator converts both strings to the lower case before comparing them with the equal operator. This conversion steps add extra time and memory allocation. That's why it has higher mean time and memory usage. The comparison with the equal method also converts both strings to lowercase before comparing them with the equal method. The performance slightly differs, but the memory usage is the same. Comparing with the ordinal ignore case is significantly faster and it doesn't allocate any additional memory because it performs a case insensitive comparison without conversion of string. So this method is faster and more memory efficient. I hope from now on you will be using this string comparison technique to increase the code performance. I will be adding similar tutorials for code improvement in future and will create a dedicated playlist for code optimization tips. Follow the playlist to keep improving your code efficiency. That's it for today. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more programming tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.